And rescue operations are underway in the Indian state of Uttarakhand after a deadly cloud burst. Uttarkashi district on the 5th of August triggered massive flash floods and landslides in Dharali and Sukhi top area. This morning, several people who were trapped were rescued and airlifted to the Matli helipad, a multi-agency operation involving the Indian Army, the NDRF, the ITBP, SDRF, Uttarakhand Police and local administration is underway in Uttarkashi's Dharali to locate and rescue those trapped. More than 190 people have been rescued so far, with death toll at 5 and dozens reported missing. The situation on the ground is challenging to say the least, with landslides and debris making it difficult for the rescue teams to reach the affected areas. In Batwari, one of the affected areas en route to Dharali, roads were broken and blocked. The Badrinath National Highway was also blocked due to debris falling from the hill near Pipalkoti. According to the NDRF, helicopters have been pressed into service since yesterday to reach the affected areas.
Four teams are working on the rescue operation, but roadblocks have hindered their access. Despite this, 35 people were rescued by helicopter yesterday, and air operations resumed this morning. Communication networks, including satellite phones, are now functional. The state administration, Army, ITBP, NDRF, SDRF, and local residents are helping each other in the search and rescue operations.
According to the Indian Air Force, Mi-17 helicopters and the ALH Mk3 aircraft have been stationed at Bareilly, while an A-32 and C-295 transport aircraft from Agra landed in Dehradun to support the mission in the flood-affected areas. The Air Force stations in Agra and Bareilly were activated overnight to load relief and rescue material and to coordinate with Indian Army personnel for deployment in the rescue missions. Meanwhile, the district administration of Uttarkashi has announced a holiday for all government and private schools in the district in the wake of prediction of heavy rainfall in the district today. Among those missing are 16 people from Maharashtra's Jalgaon region to continue to remain untraceable. According to the Maharashtra government, which is coordinating the relief efforts with Uttarakhand and Uttarkashi disaster management authorities, 51 tourists are reported to be safe. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.